your program?
One, yes, I am very satisfied with Vivix Credit Solutions. They were able to delete 75% of what was affecting my credit score. Very happy about I learned that I need to maintain any credit cards that I have underneath a certain percentage. Anything that is still on my credit score, they're willing to even help me delete those. I can't say enough good things about you guys. You guys did an awesome job of me out, and I can't wait to see how much better my credit score will be as time goes on. So thanks to you guys for that.
Okay.